Hi, I'm Miss Christine of the Smithtown Library. Thank you for joining me today for Bananaphone. This is one of our classic library programs, but we have it all packaged for you to take it home. So inside this packet are a bunch of activities and games and crafts that a grandparent or a parent can do with the kid. It's all inside this packet, but do not worry if you don't get to pick one up at one of the Smithtown buildings on January 5th. I have it all uploaded for a quick, easy, free digital download. That's going to be in the description. So let's see what's inside. I'll show you how to play. Here are some of the tools. Let's see. Make your own phone. This is a prompt sheet for how to make your own telephone. All the ingredients, all the materials, all the how-tos written on that sheet. This is an important contacts list, so you can fill it out using what your pediatrician's number and name is. A handy thing to keep on the refrigerator. This is a fun fridge phone activity where you take these sheets and you cut them out. There is a strip of magnet included, so once you cut them out, adhere the magnet to the back and then it becomes magnet, so you can transform your refrigerator into a giant phone. This becomes a game for your kid to practice dialing important numbers. First one to start would be 911, but then you could practice calling mom at work, right? And that's why this important contact sheet comes in so handy. So it's a really fun hands-on way to practice. The last thing is our craft. These are the instructions to make it. So what you're going to do is you're going to cut out this rotary phone. You're going to stick these stickers on to be your keys. There are 10 stickers, so label them 0 to 9, and then you could practice, it moves like a rotary phone. I also included ribbon, so you're going to be able to connect your headset with the phone piece, and you've got yourself a fun rotary phone craft. And this sheet in here, we've got our own Storytime hotline. We've got the number 631-652-6052. It's always live, so whenever you need a good story, give us a call, and one of the librarians have recorded. We have 5 new stories every week. So that's the contents of Bananaphone. I have the stories coming on Facebook in January 12th. So I'll see you then. Bye.